Welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to get free stuff from Temu without doing nothing, okay? First of all, let me tell you about Temu. Temu is a platform where you can buy and sell things. It's pretty based for if you have a low budget on planning products from online. It's pretty cool. So, after logging into Temu, tap on EU on the bottom. I'm going with this, and after scrolling down you can get earn credits and free gifts, and tap on it, then click on 5 $0 items. After logged into this page, you can pick 5 stuffs without do nothing. It's pretty impressive, and it might be surprising things for you guys. So I'm going with picking this one. Okay, I think I've picked one things from making this video, before making this video for you guys. By doing like this, you can claim your free products from Temu without nothing. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please thumbs up for this video, and for more videos, please make sure to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.